This is gonna be a short one, just because I want to do it. This rubber is making me really sad. So I bought a new one. I don't have a part number for it. Maybe I do somewhere in the parts diagrams. Let's see if we got the right stuff.
Okay, let's see. Profile is...
Has metal in it.
It looks thicker. Or this one is squished.
This one is very old and very abused. Oh wow.
Oh, is this rusty?
Oh yeah, the paint is holding this part on. So let's clean it a bit.
Yeah. Oh.
Don't worry, it's just brake clean. I won't get it in your eyes probably.
Almost did.
I got brake clean in my eyes many times. This is really thin stuff. Now let's see how successful we are at exchanging one rubber.
Yeah. Will it be harder to close the door?
Probably. Oh fuck yeah, it will be harder to close the door, and it is already hard to close the door. But while we are here, we're just going to clean all of these parts that are full of dust from our latest forest Dakar. Okay, less space. Where's the new rubber? Does this have a center line? No. It is. Oh, it actually stays where we put it because of that metal part.
Yeah.
Very interesting. I never had a metal part in the rubber, so I'm just like eyeballing this middle here before I start to squeeze it.
It just needs to go in.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm not going to squeeze it all the way in until we confirm that we are more or less where we want to be.
Okay. Oh yeah, that's more or less it. I have more on that side.
Oh, we have much more on that side. So my method of getting the center line is very wrong.
Move it a bit.
Let's just say you want it
on the end.
here, and let's just see what happens. We're putting weather stripping on the car that does not have a roof, so
So the water does not get out.
so we can put it up
Even more here.
1 centimeter.
Yeah.
Okay. So like that.
Yeah.
And that is the last.
Perfect.
Oh wait. This has two sides.
What?
Which one is inside and which one is out? See?
Yeah.
The old one does not have that.
I would say like this.
I would also say like this. So it
More
goes.
sense, yeah.
It goes inward.
Yeah.
Okay. Watch for the sides, kids. So let's see. Push everything. Okay, this will be just fine. And then now I just push it all the way. What do we do, love?
Squish that rubber.
Such a stupid video, I love it.
Oh yeah, I was worried for a bit we wouldn't say the same word.
I knew that we were
Okay.
going to say, that we are going to say the same word.
Oh, great.
You and I have mind melded.
Yes, true. Yay, it's in.
So what have we learned today?
Watch for the side.
Watch for the side.
Measure it, maybe.
Yeah, get a tape measure and do not push it all the way until
Yeah.
you are sure that you are where you want to be.
Yeah, and now the big moment, closing the door.
I love it. If you clean a little bit of your car every time you work on it, you will have a clean car. Just before you need to clean it.
So wise. Let's see. How much resistance?
You know how we measured this thing from the old rubber?
No.
This thing, when we mounted this thing with the old rubber.
I don't remember.
I remember. You know what I thought at the moment we were doing that? What happens if we exchange the rubber?
And it's too big.
No, everything's fine. There's much more resistance, but I need to fix this first. Okay, so...
Okay. It looks nice.
It looks much better. This looks very dusty.
Okay. Okay, closes.
Barely opens. But that is because of all the weight we put on it.
Oh. You're satisfied?
Yes,
Cool.
because this was making me really sad.
Are you happy now?
Yes. I am.
Yay!
But we are going to put this in the pile of original things we took off the car.
Yeah.
This is the short one. This is a filler video because we don't have time to work on big videos. Thank you for watching.
See you next one. Bye.